Hi friends, I'm Mariam and I'm back with another video. Before we move forward, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get every new update. Let's move towards today's topic. Today's topic is how to make impossible possible. If you want to achieve something and you think that it is impossible and you stop yourself from doing that thing, then it is totally wrong. If it is impossible today, tomorrow it can be possible. I'm going to tell you how can it be possible. So something that you want to do in your life and according to you that is impossible. You have to make it possible by following these rules. First of all, if you want to do something and according to you that is impossible, then first of all you must have self-belief. If you have self-belief and you believe in yourself that no matter how difficult that thing is, no matter that thing is impossible, but you are bigger than that task, you are bigger than that thing, you can make it possible. Your self belief is very important. If you believe in yourself, then you will take every impossible as a challenge. You will try to do it, you will do everything to make it possible. So have believe in yourself. When you believe in yourself, then nothing is impossible for you, everything is possible for you, because you know that you have the strengths, you have the power, and you can make everything possible with your strength and with your powers. So self belief is very important. Believe in yourself. Secondly, if you think something is impossible, then you must have discipline to make it possible. If you are a disciplined person, if you follow a discipline in your life, then you can make impossibles possible. So you must be disciplined, you must have some routine. If it is not easy to achieve something in your life, it is not easy to make impossible possible. Thomas Edison, who made bulb, he did 1000 experiments. His 999 experiments were failed, but he kept trying and until unless he made an impossible task possible. Wright brothers, they tried a lot of time before making aeroplane. So they failed a lot of time. They were disciplined. They follow a discipline and they tried again and again. That's why they became successful and they made a first aeroplane. So these are the stories of those people who made impossible possible just because they were disciplined in their efforts. So if you want to make some impossible possible, then you have to be disciplined in your efforts. Thirdly, don't be afraid of failure. Once again, I will quote Thomas Edison and Wright brothers. They were so much consistent in their efforts. They were not afraid of failures. Thomas Edison, as I told you before, failed a lot of time, 999 times. Wright brothers failed a lot of time. Their many experiments got uh, failed, but instead of that they kept trying. They never get afraid of failures. They never got afraid of failures. They never got afraid of opinion of the people. They were so consistent in their efforts. So if you want to make something that is impossible today and you want to make it possible for yourself, then you have to be so much brave and you have to remove all the fears of failures from your mind, because failures are the learnings. Wright brothers and Thomas Edison and so many other successful people, they took failures as learning. That's why they got successful. Just because they didn't get afraid of failures, they took the failures as challenges, as learnings, and they just move forward. So you have to remove all the fears of failures from your mind, then you can make all the impossibles possible. Lastly, you must have faith in God, faith in universe, faith in nature, because if you have a right intention and if you want to achieve something in your life, no matter what it is, universe always supports you. Universe is always there for you, but you must have faith. Everything that is happening in this world, it is happening for you, not to you. So believe in it, that everything is taking you towards something good, something better. If you have such kind of faith, then no one can stop you from making something impossible possible, and making you a successful person, and um, keeping you away. No one can keep you away from your dreams, from your goals, from your success. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm Mariam, signing off from Victory for Champions.